Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Yeada. For those of you that are new, if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, as well as hit that bell link so you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Today it is Saturday, October 31st, and y'all, it is Halloween. So happy Halloween to all of you. It is going to be a pretty full day. There's a couple of errands that I need to run, so I figured why not pull out my camera and vlog for y'all today. First things first, I'm drinking my tea. This is my first thing that I do in the morning, which is drinking my TEAMI tea. And this TEAMI tea, y'all, it gets me energized in the morning. It makes me feel less bloated. It's actually a really good tea. I do put lemon in it just to kind of give it a different flavor, and I know other people tweak theirs to give it a better taste. So you can do that too, kind of play around with it to give it the desired taste that you want. But it is really good. It flushes your system out. I've been eating really bad lately, like really bad snacks on snacks and just fast food, and it's fries is really my weakness, and this detox tea literally cleansed my system out after eating those greasy fries. But yeah, you guys can try this tea as well. It does come with a Cohen tea that you can drink at night. You guys can use my code GEFFECT20 for 20% off your $49 minimum order. Or if you don't want to spend $50, you can use my code GEFFECT15 for 15% off your $29 minimum order. So definitely try it. Only 30 days, and like I said, it's really good and it flushes you out, girl. So first thing on the agenda today, I need to do laundry because that's #1 priority on the list today. I have to do laundry. I also need to clean up around the house, and I got this new rug from Zulily. I definitely have been shopping on Zulily lately, and these rugs, y'all, the quality of these rugs are really good. And this particular rug, now y'all seen the rug in my living room, but this particular rug cost me like, I think it was $45, and it's a 5x7. Y'all know y'all ain't finding no 5x7 rugs for like $45 or $50. So Zulily, y'all better, don't sleep on Zulily. Y'all better be shopping on there. Anyway, so I'm gonna be laying that out today, cleaning up around the house, straightening things up, and then I gotta make a few runs. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. Let's go ahead and get the day started. I know y'all tired of me rambling, and yeah, so let's go. Okay, y'all, real quick, I wanted to show y'all this rug that is currently in my room. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I do have a new rug that I'm about to bring in here. But before, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep real quick, and then we'll see how the new one looks. Okay, you guys, so after the struggle, this is the rug. It's super pretty. I really like the pattern or the texture of the rug. I thought it was gonna be almost too small. It's not as bad. I could bring it back towards the bed a little bit more instead of too close to the dresser, but it's cute. I probably could have went with an 8x10, but then that probably would have been too big. So here we are, not too bad. Okay, you guys, so I have finished up around the house and I'm about to head out. I need to go to the bank, and I also need to run and get me some lunch because your girl is starving and I ain't ate nothing. Oh, I gotta blow these candles out. Hold on, y'all. I almost forgot. Hold on. I hate the smoke. Oh, I hate that smoke that get in your nose. But yeah, so like I said, I'm about to head out, run to the bank and run get me some food, and then I guess be ready for these trick-or-treaters. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all, so I've been to the bank, but the bank is close to a TJ Maxx, so I have to go in. Plus I have a gift card that I need to use, so I'm about to go in here and see what they have new, or see if they've restocked some stuff, because the shelves still be empty like everywhere that I go. But yeah, so we're gonna see what they got, and I'm gonna take y'all in with me, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so TJ Maxx, they have so much Christmas stuff out to where like the regular stuff they don't have. So I didn't get anything besides this little picture frame that my mom wanted, and then this little, like, let me show y'all, because I saw this on Amazon and I was gonna order it, but they had it here for $3. So I ended up getting this little thing. This little thing literally comes in handy for when you have to open the door and things like that, so you ain't gotta touch it with these people and these viruses. So I'm about to go to the at-home store, since I'm like down the street from it, see what they have, and get my food and head back home. So I'll see y'all when we get to the at-home store. Okay guys, so this is my lunch for today, which is a salmon panini sandwich. I got it from this restaurant called Fresh to Order. And I just have a cup of iced water. So yeah, I made it to my mom's house, so I'm about to eat and then get ready for these trick-or-treaters. What we about to do, Zari?
So you gotta say trick or
We're
treat.
going to go trick-or-treating.
Say trick or treat.
Trick-or-treat.
You get her? Cause y'all she finna put a cord on.
Trick or treat.
Alright y'all, so I took my mom's little ears as we go around. Come on, CJ.
Get that candy. Give me that candy.
I'm about to go get some candy. Ready? Let's stay on the sidewalk. You ready, Zari? You ready to go trick or treat? Get some candy? You gotta go to the door. Open your bag. Okay, you guys, I'm finally back home after a long but productive day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this day in the life with Yeada. If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not already subscribed. Hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Make sure you share and tell your friends to subscribe and join the fam as well. Y'all, I'm literally tired. I'm about to literally just chill out and watch some TV until I fall asleep. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.